Hey guys, here's Timmy and us again. Final video today, probably. We're looking for his dog.
We are gonna run from my dog.
Unless it's already inside.
Yeah. If it is, I'll let it outside.
Let the dog outside. Rex. Come here, Rexy boy.
Come here, Rex.
Rex just seems like a girl name. It does. Okay, you. Wait a second for the dog. Hello, dog. Hi, dog.
Alright, so me and Henry are gonna run.
How are we gonna get it to run? Yeah! 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 Get it, dog! Get it, dog! Ah!
We're running
Ah!
from him.
No, dog! Ah! Oh! 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 My phone! Ah! Dog boy is back. Wearing the cone of shame.
This is a frisbee.
Yeah, it's a frisbee. It's a little workout for today.
I'm buying you time. Run.
Yeah.
Running with the camera on me.
Never forget you, Timmy.
Hey.
We're filming a dramatic video of Timmy being killed by the dog. Run with the dog. Go chase it.
Yo, it's coming.
Ah, he's going after me. No, back. He likes battle axes. Go fetch. Yes. This dog is usually friendly. Never very angry. Just like the one where we knighted you and the invasion. You missed the invasion video.
Let me see it.
No. We're recording right now. So I think that's all we got to show, guys.
Yeah.
Just the adventures of Dog Boy. It's okay, Dog Boy. His real name is Vexy.
Rex.
Vexy Vakuku.
It's Rex.
Now go fetch Rooks.
Oh no, I must keep him away from
Oh no. He's going to eat the pedestrians.
Did you
What?
the video?
No, I did not freeze the video. I was recording you playing with the dog. In front of people, too. Now, let's see. Maybe we can include the brother in a video.
Maybe later.
Maybe this won't be the last video. Maybe we need him as part of a video. That's his eyeball. Just look at it. Yep. Okay, so leave a leak and subscribe. A leak on the video. Yeah, you pee on the video. Whatever it takes you to subscribe. Okay, bye, guys.